I'm currently at the Ritz-Carlton in Santa Barbara, California, and I'm with a bunch of life insurance agents who teach and sell infinite banking policies. And so I'm gonna go around now at everyone by the pool actually and ask them what they use their policies for. I got my guy Devin Burr here. Check him out, Mr. Burr on Instagram. What are you using your policies for, man?
I use them for everything. I buy all my cars, I buy all my investment properties, I buy my watches, everything. The greatest thing is when I use it for investments, I'm making money in two places. So I make money in a policy, and then I use the money to go make money in investment. My money runs parallel. I'm making money in two places where most people make it in one.
There you go. I got my guy Chris Nogla here with me. He's using infinite banking for himself as well. What are you using your policies for, Chris?
I do a lot of lending, private lending, and also buying cars. I like cars and I like lending.
You buy a car this year with your policy?
Yeah,
Which one?
I bought a G-Wagon and then I also bought a Porsche.
I love it. You heard it here first, guys. Buy cars and buy real estate through your policies. I got my guy Jonah here with the Banking Bros. What do you use your policy for, man?
So right now I've got to use my policy to pay some taxes.
Okay.
Unfortunately, let's talk about the taxes, right?
Yeah.
But I got to get a 5-figure loan. I got to pay some taxes with it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my income to repay the policy loan.
Smart.
So that way I keep control of all the money. I regain the money so I can use it again later, maybe next year.
I got my guy Jason here. He teaches infinite banking out in Florida. And what do you got to say, man? What have you been using your policies for?
That's a great question, Carson. So first, I used them to pay off all of our debt, over $100,000, recapture back to our family $3,300 a month.
Yeah.
Do you want a $3,300 a month raise?
I would.
Sound pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then after that, do you like skiing?
I love to ski.
Yeah. So we used my son's policy to go skiing to Park City. And I showed him how we paid for the vacation and paid it back. So we did barely pay any interest.
Yeah.
And then finally, do you like paying taxes?
I hate paying taxes.
Oh my God, I hate paying taxes too.
Yeah.
On December 15th, I got down and prayed, said, oh my God, I got approved for an S Corp, and now I got $40,000 in taxes to Uncle Sam. And I was like, oh my God, what do I do? And I paid the first one, and I was like, you know what could help this?
Yeah.
Do you know?
Running it through a policy.
I ran it through a policy, and when I ran it through a policy, guess what? In year number 3, I'm gonna get paid to pay my taxes. Carson, would you like to get paid to pay your
I'd love
taxes?
to get paid. That's what we do, man.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
So we build, we keep, and we create more wealth. It's simple.
I got my guy Jeremiah Dew here. Jeremiah is one of the Banking Bros as well. What are you using your policies for this year, man?
Well, this year, in 2024, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes you've got to think about your regular expenses. A lot of times, if you're working with Carson, you're thinking big ideas, you're thinking real estate, you're thinking fix and flips, but you can also utilize your policies for your regular expenses for your family. See, I got a family, wife and 4 kids, and we're utilizing these policies for simple things, everyday expenses, running them through and recapturing all that interest and the lost money, just for everyday stuff. So sometimes you want to think big, and sometimes you want to make sure that you understand that you're losing money all the time on your regular expenses, and you can use it for those too.
Beautiful. Thanks for the words, man. We got all kinds of answers today from these guys about what infinite banking is and how they use their policies. If you guys go to the link in my bio and watch my presentation, you can learn how to become your bank like we all have.